Hey flag experts, can you guess these 44 awesome national flags from around the globe? Let's find out. Which country does this famous flag with 50 stars belong to? Is it A, United Kingdom, B, United States, or C, Australia? It's B, United States. 50 stars represent 50 states. Which country is represented by this red flag with a white maple leaf? Is it A, Canada, B, Sweden, or C, Japan? It's A, Canada. The maple leaf is their national symbol. This simple and beautiful rising sun design belongs to which country? Is it A, China, B, South Korea, or C, Japan? It's C, Japan. It represents the rising sun. Which country uses this red, white, and blue diagonal cross flag known as the Union Jack? Is it A, United Kingdom, B, New Zealand, or C, Iceland? It's A, United Kingdom. It combines 3 national flags. Which country's flag features this starry night sky and the words order and progress? Is it A, Argentina, B, Brazil, or C, Colombia? It's B, Brazil. It shows the Rio night sky. Which country's tricolor flag features vertical stripes of blue, white, and red? Is it A, Italy, B, France, or C, Russia? It's B, France. It is called the tricolore. Which European country's flag is made of green, white, and red vertical stripes? Is it A, Italy, B, Mexico, or C, Ireland? It's A, Italy. The colors represent hope and faith. This flag with horizontal black, red, and gold stripes belongs to which nation? Is it A, Belgium, B, Germany, or C, Spain? It's B, Germany. These colors date back centuries. Which country's flag features a golden eagle perched on a cactus eating a snake? Is it A, Mexico, B, Peru, or C, Spain? It's A, Mexico. It comes from an Aztec legend. Which country features 5 yellow stars on a bright red background? Is it A, Vietnam, B, China, or C, Singapore? It's B, China. The large star represents the party. Which country's flag features the Southern Cross constellation on a blue field? Is it A, Australia, B, United Kingdom, or C, New Zealand? It's A, Australia. It shows the Southern Cross constellation. Which country's flag features a red and blue yin-yang symbol in the center? Is it A, Japan, B, Vietnam, or C, South Korea? It's C, South Korea. It represents cosmic balance. Which country is unique for having a perfectly square flag with a white cross? Is it A, Switzerland, B, Austria, or C, Denmark? It's A, Switzerland. It is one of 2 square flags. Which country's flag features a blue wheel called the Ashoka Chakra in the middle? Is it A, India, B, Pakistan, or C, Bangladesh? It's A, India. The wheel has 24 spokes. Which country has a colorful flag with a green Y shape representing unity? Is it A, South Africa, B, Brazil, or C, Jamaica? It's A, South Africa. The Y shape represents unity. Which country's flag has 9 blue and white stripes with a blue canton and a white cross? Is it A, Finland, B, Greece, or C, Uruguay? It's B, Greece. 9 stripes represent their freedom motto. Which country flag features a yellow Nordic cross on a light blue background? Is it A, Norway, B, Iceland, or C, Sweden? It's C, Sweden, inspired by the royal coat of arms. Which country features a golden eagle emblem in the center of its red, white, and black flag? Is it A, Egypt, B, Syria, or C, Iraq? It's A, Egypt. It features the eagle of Saladin. Which country's flag features a yellow sun with a human face on it? Is it A, Uruguay, B, Argentina, or C, Peru? It's B, Argentina. It represents an Incan sun god. Which country features a white crescent moon and a white star on a solid red background? Is it A, Turkey, B, Tunisia, or C, Pakistan? It's A, Turkey, used since the Ottoman Empire. Which country's flag is famous for having absolutely no red, white, or blue in it? Is it A, Brazil, B, Jamaica, or C, Sweden? It's B, Jamaica. It has no red, white, or blue. Which European country's flag has a red and yellow design with a historic coat of arms? Is it A, Portugal, B, Spain, or C, Belgium? It's B, Spain. It features kingdoms of the past. Which country has the world's only national flag that is not a rectangle? Is it A, Nepal, B, Bhutan, or C, Myanmar? It's A, Nepal. It has 2 triangular shapes. Which country's flag features a large white dragon holding 4 jewels? Is it A, China, B, Bhutan, or C, Vietnam? It's B, Bhutan. It features the thunder dragon. Which country's flag features a large red dragon on a green and white background? Is it A, Wales, B, Scotland, or C, Ireland? It's A, Wales. The red dragon is their symbol. Which country's flag features a red cross outlined in white on a dark blue background? Is it A, Norway, B, Iceland, or C, Finland? It's B, Iceland. Red represents active volcanoes. Which country's flag features a bright green 5-pointed star on a solid red background? Is it A, Morocco, B, Tunisia, or C, Vietnam? It's A, Morocco. The star is the Seal of Solomon. Which country features a green cedar tree in the middle of a white stripe? Is it A, Lebanon, B, Cyprus, or C, Canada? It's A, Lebanon. The cedar tree represents peace. Which Asian country's flag features a large yellow star in the solar red background? Is it A, China, B, Vietnam, or C, North Korea? It's B, Vietnam. The star represents workers and peasants. Unlike Australia's white stars, which country's flag features 4 red stars outlined in white? Is it A, Australia, B, New Zealand, or C, Fiji? It's B, New Zealand. They represent the Southern Cross. Which country's flag is made up of 2 equal horizontal bands of blue and yellow? Is it A, Sweden, B, Ukraine, or C, Poland? It's B, Ukraine. Blue skies and yellow wheat fields. Which country's flag features a blue Star of David between 2 horizontal blue stripes? Is it A, Israel, B, Greece, or C, Honduras? It's A, Israel, inspired by Jewish prayer shawls. Which country features a white crescent moon next to 5 stars arranged in a circle? Is it A, Malaysia, B, Singapore, or C, Indonesia? It's B, Singapore. The stars represent 5 key ideals. Which Central Asian country's flag features a yellow sun with 40 rays around a yurt roof design? Is it A, Kazakhstan, B, Kyrgyzstan, or C, Mongolia? It's B, Kyrgyzstan. The symbol represents a yurt roof. Which European country features a black double-headed eagle on a bold red background? Is it A, Albania, B, Montenegro, or C, Serbia? It's A, Albania. This eagle is a historic symbol. Which island nation's flag has 5 colorful bands radiating from the bottom left corner? Is it A, Mauritius, B, Seychelles, or C, Vanuatu? It's B, Seychelles. The bands show a dynamic future. Which country features the historic Soyombo symbol on the red stripe on the left? Is it A, Mongolia, B, Nepal, or C, Tibet? It's A, Mongolia. The symbol represents natural elements. Which country's flag uniquely features a detailed image of the Angkor Wat Temple? Is it A, Thailand, B, Cambodia, or C, Laos? It's B, Cambodia. It depicts a real-world building. Which microstate's flag has light blue and white stripes with a crown and shield in the middle? Is it A, Monaco, B, Liechtenstein, or C, San Marino? It's C, San Marino. It shows 3 mountain towers. Which country features a Rajiana bird of paradise flying over a black and red background? Is it A, Papua New Guinea, B, Fiji, or C, Solomon Islands? It's A, Papua New Guinea. The bird represents freedom. Which Pacific Island flag features 2 diagonal stripes of orange and white next to a 24-point star? Is it A, Marshall Islands, B, Micronesia, or C, Palau? It's A, Marshall Islands. Stars represent electoral districts. Which Caribbean island flag features a rare purple Ciceroo parrot in the center? Is it A, Dominica, B, Jamaica, or C, St. Lucia? It's A, Dominica, one of 2 flags with purple. Which nation's flag depicts a yellow frigate bird flying over a rising golden sun and blue waves? Is it A, Tuvalu, B, Kiribati, or C, Samoa? It's B, Kiribati. Waves represent the Pacific Ocean. Which island nation's flag features a yellow triangle overlapping a black triangle on a blue background? Is it A, St. Lucia, B, Bahamas, or C, Barbados? It's A, St. Lucia. Triangles represent volcanic peaks. How many did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.